my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Scorpio, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from October 23rd to the 30th, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then be pulling out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. The decks I'm using today are the Madame Clara Sees All 5 Cents Tarot, and I'll also be supporting it with Healing Angel cards, which will be your oracle cards for the day. All right. So let's start with Scorpio. All right, for all those who are watching, I want you all to know, please remember that these are general readings and they may not always resonate with all of you. This could be for you in particular, or the person you're with, or the situation you're dealing with. It could also be a vice versa kind of a situation for those who are cross-watching for someone else. All right. So if anyone wants a personal reading, yeah, you can reach me on my email address, which is mentioned below. Let's look at Scorpio for the week October 23rd to the 30th of 2020. What's happening with Scorpio during this week? Let's begin. Alright, Scorpio, the overall energy for this reading, the card I've got is resilience. A lot of patience that's required through whatever you're going through. We will take a look at what it was, or what it is, or what it's going to be. But having said that, the overall energy for this reading is resilience. It's asking you, or either someone is already being very resilient, a Scorpio, or it's asking you to be very resilient, patient. Okay. Now, when I look at your recent past, I see the Ace of Wands, I see the Page of Swords, and I see the Four of Swords. All right. So when I see what it was in the past, perhaps, you were either involved with someone who inspired you, and that's what kind of attracted you to this person. You saw an opportunity, a potential in this relationship, and you kind of went forward. I also see that though there was that very relaxed kind of a vibe to the whole relationship or that situation, there was a lot of restlessness as well. Something had you not very convinced, perhaps, something was not very clear, perhaps. But when I look at the overall energy, it seems very relaxed in the past, all right, with the relaxation card, the Four of, Swords, which just tells you to not take any action. So you were probably in more of in a situation where you were not willing to probably comprehend much. You were just going with the flow, all right. When I see your current situation, I see the Knight of Pentacles, I see the Wheel of Fortune, and the Chariot. So definitely a situation of someone holding their own and moving forward. One of you looks more like you, Scorpio, because when you talk about the Knight of Pentacles, I immediately see responsibility, accountability, and a lot of patience, right? So you're someone who is very accomplished and you're very target driven. So I think what really came across to you in this relationship perhaps was you being the bigger person. Maybe this person you're dealing with is not as mature or as wise as you are. And I see that you have realized and taken that onus this time, and you have decided to let go of a lot of things and let karma, fate, and luck, those kind of things take its course. You really don't want to hurt that other person because they're not bad people. But you know, that mismatch, okay, of whatever your thoughts or the way you think about a certain person, I don't see that really happening. It's just purely your determination and your love for this person that you're actually moving forward, okay? And it's going to get all right for you, but this situation is very tough, very intense, and I think you need a lot of patience. That's why you got this overall card also for patience. When I look at your future, your immediate future, I see that wishes will come true with the Nine of Cups. I see a judgment where there will be a recalling or a rebirth of a situation. Maybe that person will realize they will realize that you have been extremely patient, and they will learn, their whatever lesson that they have to learn, and it's going to completely change. And I see new love, a new dimension to this relationship, and whatever you were really aspiring it to be, you will see that happening for you going forward, Scorpio, with the same person. All right, it's just that this entire cycle with the Wheel of Fortune and then you reaching to that final judgment kind of a situation will take its time, and that's why you probably have the Patience card, which is the Nine of Wands. All right, so that's what I see for you this week, Scorpio. Let's see what the universe has to say to you. What's the message for Scorpio for the week 23rd to the 30th of October 2020? A message from the universe. Yes, it's telling you wisdom. Everything has a place and a purpose and the right time. The universe is saying, so be wise to have great love, tolerance, and compassion for all things. It again talks about tolerance, it talks about patience. So it's telling you to be the wise one, be the more mature one, which you are clearly in this dynamic. And it's telling you to just hold on to that faith and move on. Keep your purpose and goal in mind. You know how much this person means to you and how serious you're about this person. So keep that patience, keep that wisdom, be the wiser one of the two, and you will see things moving to a better phase. All right, so that was what I see for you, Scorpios, for this week. I see you next week then. Till then, goodbye and take care.